Nasarawa State push for better healthcare for everybody and quality education don't gather serious momentum as World Bank renewed commitment to expand support for primary healthcare and early childhood learning program. Our Tory person Rosie Jagoyan said the World Bank Country Director for Niger, Matthew Vergis, made the promise when Governor Abdullahi Sule visited the bank office for Abuja. He come here the state development progress wey don't show well. World Bank don dey partner with Nasarawa State since on top projects like primary healthcare, NG Cares, AC Resal, and other important development programs. Vergis come talk say the bank remain dedicated to improve healthcare service and early childhood education for the state.
The World Bank has made a global commitment on universal healthcare. That is, in all the countries that we work in, we're going to be focused on this, and Nigeria is central to that because if Nigeria doesn't succeed, then we will not succeed globally. So we are committed to this area as a World Bank, not just me or as a part of the Nigeria country team. We're committed to this, and when this project runs out, we are working together on new ones, and we will find ways to support, because rest assured, this is a very important area.
Governor Sule for Impact Konya say flagship programs like Agile, NG Cares, Impact and AC Resan, they're very important for Nasarawa progress inside healthcare and environment sector. A call for more support, partnership and extra funding to fast-track wetin dem dey do already. Even though improvement dey for primary healthcare, the governor still stress say stronger collabo dey needed to reach full universal coverage.
We have 147 wards in the state, and our dream is to ensure that we have one functional, well-equipped primary healthcare unit in every one of these 147. We have gone 58, so we still have a long way to go. We do understand there are some states that probably don't have this widespread what like us because of the size of the state. And there are some states also that actually are too rich, and so they are not too keen about this kind of programs. Since we don't belong in any of the two categories, so we say that anytime you have, some of this withdrawal that you have from some of these other states, Nasarawa State will be very happy, to look at us so that we can see whatever it is that we can do, to reach, if we can reach 90% of the states with you and with me, so even if I leave you here, I'm happy that I've got.
Nasarawa State dey hopeful say dem go consolidate gains for healthcare and education and even set example where other states fit follow. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.